Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from HIGHTOP, a manufacturer of poultry farm in China. This is our showroom. We have the manual kit for the layers and broilers. We still have the automatic kit for the layers and broilers. In the same time, we still have many other poultry farm equipment for your choice. Our company has been more than 20 years experience, and we have been 5,000 projects in the 60 countries. And at the same time, we can provide you a professional solutions according to your request. If you need any help, you can contact to me. Today, I will introduce our layer manual cage. We have 3 tiers and 4 tiers layer cage. This is our 4 tiers cage. This is our 3 tiers cage. And you can see the video. This is our 4 tiers cage. This is our 4 tiers cage. You can see the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total have 4 tiers. And you can see the video from there and there. This is the length of the one side. From there and there. The length is 2.50 meters. And you can see the cage from there, and there. This is the width of the cage size. The width is 2.4 meters. And the height from there and the ground. The height to have 2.95 meters. This is the cage size. And you can see in the one side, the one street total have 5 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. And for each doors, we can put 4 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the one street, we can put 20 boards in the one street. So the total size, we can put 116 boards in the whole site. Except the cage size, we still have the other cage size, like 1.88 meters, and another size is 1.95 meters. We will, according to your cage weight and your area and your request, to give you a suitable plan for you. The main part of the whole cage site is the surface treatment, the coating, the weight of the street, and the frame. And then I will introduce to you one by one. The first part is the surface treatment. In the market, total have 2 surface treatments. The first is the cold galvanized, and another one is hot dip galvanized. The hot dip galvanized is more anti-rust than cold galvanized, and HIGHTOP, we only use the hot dip galvanized. We consider our customers the future and the using, so we only use the hot dip galvanized. The second part is zinc coating. HIGHTOP chooses 275 grams per meter, and we add 10% oil. And more zinc coating means more anti-rust. At the same time, we add 10% oil. It has more stronger ability to anti-rust even in the rainy seasons. The third part is the cage weight. HIGHTOP chooses the Q235 wire. It's more stronger in the market. At the same time, the cage wire is between 2.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters. It's more thick than the other supplier. And the weight of the straight is 9 kilograms. So the good material, the more thick of the wire, and the more weight of the cages. So when we put the birds in the cages, the cage will not bend. The last part is the cage frame. HIGHTOP, the cage frame is hot dip galvanized, and the big coating is 275 grams per meter. It's more anti-rust, and the lifetime is 20 years. And the thickness on there is 2 millimeters, more thickness, more stronger. And except the good material of the cage frame, we still have the different design. You can see this is one piece molding and total have 3 sides, so it's more standard and more stronger. The another design is the hook. We choose the hook, so when we install the cages, we can put the cages on the hook directly. No welding, so more anti-rust. Except the main part of the cages, the accessories is same important. The feed trough, water pipe, and the input drinker. You can see the feed trough. HIGHTOP choose the pure PVC feed trough is more stronger and more easy to clean and not rust. When chicken eat the food, it will eat the health food. And another reason is more stronger. You can see I can stand the feed trough, so it's very stronger, and we can avoid the damage during the transportation. In the market, other supplier will choose the recycled feed trough. It's very easy to damage, and the HIGHTOP only choose the pure PVC feed trough. We can protect our customers' benefits. The another part is the water pipe, and you can see the drinker system has the water pipe and the nipple drinker. This is a simple, you can see, this is a water pipe. You can see our thickness is 1.8 millimeters, is more thickness, and other supplier will choose the 1.4 millimeters. So, and HIGHTOP only choose the 1.8 millimeters. It's more thick. It's more thick, and the water pipe will more stronger. And another reason, because the chicken coop will open house. When the sunshine arrives the water pipe, we can avoid the moss growth in the water pipe, and the chicken will drink the clean water. We can avoid the chicken sick. And you can see the nipple drinker. We just have two types, this one and this one. This one, nipple drinker, no the cup, and this one with the cup. You can choose according to your request. Except the cage good material and good the accessories, how to improve the customer's egg production rate. You can see out the cage design. You can see this is the two cages. Between the two cages with a gap. And when the chicken lay their egg, the egg around there will have the gap between the cages. We add the wire. We call it the egg protective wire. It can avoid the eggs drop the line. It can protect eggs. The customer can get more eggs. You can see this wire. And another reason is the connector. We call the bottom floor connector. This is our second design. How to mean? You can see this is the gap between the cages, and we add the connector. It can reduce the gap, so we can avoid the eggs drop the line. And another reason, in the one row, if we add the connector, we can avoid the different level for the two cages. And you can see the one row in the cages. When add the connector, the cages installed is more beautiful and more stable. This is our good design for our customer. It can improve our customers' egg production rate and make the cages installed more beauty and more stable. So last part, I will introduce our water pressure regulator and water tank. The water tank and the water pressure regulator have same functions, but it is suitable for the different chicken coop. The water tank suited for the chicken coop less 40 meters, and the water pressure regulator suited for the chicken coop more than 40 meters. Because when the chicken coop is too long and the end of the chicken can't easy to drink water, so we choose the water pressure regulator. It can adjust the water in the water pipe, so we can let all the chicken coop, each bird can drink the water. It can improve the egg production rate and it can reduce the chicken sick, so we can let the poultry farm more better.